I'm really happy with the decision today, and I think it's been a while, but I'm happy it's here. And right now I'm gonna just try to focus on recovering and not worrying about having to go back to prison or just struggling. So thank you so much, and thank you for respecting my privacy.
So the net effect of the decision today is that Mr. Khadr's sentence is now over, so there's nothing further for him to serve. It has been, he has served more than the original 8 years that was imposed on him in Guantanamo Bay more than 8 years ago. And we don't anticipate any further legal proceedings in this matter. I would emphasize, by the way, that there is no right of appeal from this decision, so it's a final decision. And so we do expect that this is essentially the end of the road in terms of having to deal with Mr. Khadr's sentence, that is the actual service of it. Having said that, of course, his appeal from his convictions is a very strong appeal, and it will continue to be pursued in the United States. It has been obstructed and delayed to this point, but it'll go ahead eventually, and we do frankly expect success in that appeal as well. So we think that these convictions will eventually be overturned, and I think it'll be determined that there was never any jurisdiction to try Mr. Khadr for these offenses. So all those conditions that were restricting his liberty up to this point are now gone. So for example, he can apply for a passport, he can talk to his sister, he can travel around the world or around Canada without having to first seek permission. And that is largely the product, as Chief Justice Murrow explained, it's largely the product of the fact that he's been on, he's had perfect behavior since his release, living under these conditions, and there's just there's no legal basis to impose them any longer.